In the recent light of the pandemic, we are taking utmost care to ensure your safety. Namaste, welcome to Otera Bengaluru. My name is Swati Ulal. I am the Guest Relations Manager. Allow me to take you through this video. Our employees always work with a lot of passion and sincerity, and we believe in world-class hospitality and superior service. We make sure the guest temperature is checked before the pickup at the airport. We also hand over a basic hygiene kit. Our security team ensures that the car has been disinfected with every arrival. All our chauffeurs wear masks and gloves at all times. Also, the guest luggages are disinfected before entering the hotel. At the entrance, kindly allow us to get your temperature checked. After the temperature check, let's continue with our check-in process. It's imperative to maintain a safe distance, hence the necessary marks on the floor. We have sanitizers placed in all public areas, and we also provide masks and gloves whenever requested. You can access this link, which will redirect you to our user-friendly website, and you can complete your check-in procedures. I had a hassle-free check-in because I had opted for an e-check-in. Don't worry, all our keycards are well sanitized before every check-in and after every checkout. Our utmost priority is to provide a safe and healthy environment to our guests. Please allow me to show you our rooms. All our common areas or touch points like door handles, elevator buttons are sanitized frequently. Welcome to the Otera rooms. We make sure that all our guest room amenities, linen and bedding are disinfected after every service. The rooms are allocated to the new guests only after 48 hours of the previous guest checkout. Also, we'll have one allocated housekeeping attendant to service your room throughout your stay. The Otera offers you a wide selection of outstanding venues. Allow me to introduce one of them. All the facilities are sanitized for every usage, and the seats are placed at a safe distance. Even during these difficult times, we do not compromise in offering you the best service. Please follow me to our all-day dining restaurant. After sanitization process, you are seated at your reserved table. Even here, we make sure that the chairs and tables are at a safe distance and our employees are wearing masks and gloves. All the fruits and vegetables are being sanitized with 50 ppm chlorine solution. All of these delicious dishes are now available for takeaway. Also, we give you access to digital menus for in-room dining services. It's always nice to enjoy a drink at the bar, but before that, let's make sure we follow the safety procedures. We offer you a contactless dining experience, hence the digital menus. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. May I have my favorite drink, please? Just by scanning the QR code, I could view the entire menu and choose my favorite drink. I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour with me. All our staff also undergo a strict sanitization routine when they arrive. They always wear masks, gloves while maintaining a social distance. We had a dedicated staff to take care of our guests throughout the lockdown like our family. We are here to serve you again, keeping in mind all our safety protocols. We look forward to welcome you soon. Thank you.